I'm the National Sales Manager for FAKRO America. Today we would like to introduce you to our model LWT, High Energy Efficiency Thermo-Insulated Attic Ladder.
And here are the features and benefits of this model. High energy efficient with 12.5 R value, 3-inch thick insulated door with white finish, triple weather seal it's included, 300 pounds weight capacity and non-slip steps. Available in 5 sizes, universal fit from 7.8 to 10.1 feet for 54-inch opening or 7.5 to 8.11 feet for 47-inch opening. Handrail and plastic end caps are also included. Door locking mechanism, no hanging strings. Springs are mounted into the door for wider entry clearance. Hinge design allowing fine length adjustment after cutting. Door moved away from the ladder, adding extra room for footstep. Fully assembled, 2-year warranty. This unit has a factory finished insulated door with 12.5 R value. For increased thermal performance, this model comes with pre-installed triple weather seal. During closing, it seals the door to avoid any air to go through. Weight capacity for this model is set at 300 pounds. Non-slippery steps for safe walking up and down. This ladder has a universal ceiling fit from 7.8 to 10.1 feet for 54-inch opening or 7.5 to 8.11 feet for 47-inch opening. It has to be cut upon installation to fit your ceiling height. Plastic ends are included to protect your floor. This unit is equipped with the length adjustment technology, where after cutting, you can adjust ladder length up to 1.5 inch. Pre-installed handrail is included. The springs are mounted into the door for wider entry clearance. All FAKRO ladders are designed with safety and comfort in mind. Increased distance between the door and the ladder makes it safer to work up and down comparing to other brands. For quality control purposes, we mark each ladder with model and serial number. This unit comes with the control rod and it's equipped with the locking mechanism. The door has a clean finish with no visible bolts or hanging strings.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about FAKRO products, please visit our website at fakrolusa.com.